Hi guys, good evening to all. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle. The third and last puzzle in the additional, not in today's newspaper on Friday, July the 14th, 2023. No, because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. Only two regular puzzles, the Sudoku Light and the Sudoku Heavy. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the Tuesday edition. Tuesday, July the 11th. July the 11th, I've not, I've here printed, I've printed the puzzles on paper. There are 3 puzzles left. The Tectonic, this one I've already solved the letter Sudoku, and a Sudoku with 0 stars. The original newspaper is last. Yes, I've thrown away accidentally. Anyway, let me continue with the Sudoku. Well, it's not a Sudoku. It's a Tectonic with 1 star, and this will be a number 6754. Yeah, double check. Yeah, 54. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. Of course, it's indicated with 1 star, and for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. I see only 1 single box. Single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes in this puzzle? Yeah, I see here dual box there. Dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes because I do not know in which order. Same for here, the 1 and 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, then the following question, not step. Triple boxes. Do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1 and 2 and 3. I see here a triple box. I do not know in which order those numbers. I need more information here. Insufficient information right now. Yeah. More triple boxes. No. Here. Triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 1 is already given. The 2 and the 3 are left. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Seems like this puzzle I've already done. Well, we will see. Okay. Z construction. Okay, Z. Next question. Do we have here quadra boxes? Quadra boxes contains the 1, the 2, 3, and a 4. No quadra boxes here. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the Z construction. Let me draw the Z construction here. When you see the Z construction, remember, if you flip this, by the way, or mirror this, you will get the S construction. Well, this is a Z. That means that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. But also in this shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has also the same number as that box. Alright. Z construction, only 1. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? Upside down, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. Alright. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. All right. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2. All right. Only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. All right. Okay. Only one shape. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. Upside down, the L shape. Upside down. More L shapes here. Another one. This box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. More L shapes. Yeah, another one here. This box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Oh, I overlooked this T shape. We have another T shape here. Overlooked. Alright, and those are the L... No, we have another L shape here. So this box has the same name as that box. Okay, those are the L shapes. But the T shape, I've overlooked this one. We have another L shape. This box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. And that box has the same name as this box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Alright. We have one shape left, I believe. Yeah, this kind of shape. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 5. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be a 1. Oh, wait. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be and a 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2. Should be a 3, can be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. Then. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L shape. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this L shape area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1. Can be 2. Should be a 3. Can be a 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1 here. Well, I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 2. 4 and 2, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. These two boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. Then Two numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 5 and 2. 5 and 2, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 2 goes there. 1 and a 2, we already have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this T-shaped area should be there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 3. Those two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this Z construction. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this Z constructions for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 1 number left in this shape, in this figure for number 1. Alright. Okay, these two boxes can be a 1. These two boxes can be a 3. So 1 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this shape area should be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Here also 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 2 are missing in this triple box. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box should be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 4. These two boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 1 box left in this area for number 2. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in the 50 minutes. Wow. Told you need to be faster than 50 minutes. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet you again tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow on Saturday. It's a weekend. Have a great and fantastic Friday. Until then, bye-bye for now.